Welcome to Mantra Software Services. We are a TMMI Level 5 certified company that delivers top-quality testing solutions. In this video, we will see the demo of performance testing using Neoload. This video will be the demo on how performance testing is conducted on a pet store application with test execution done on Neoload. The outlines of the video are as follows. First, performance testing workflow. Second, test scenario, pet store web application. Third, performance test execution workflow using Neoload demo. Fourth, demo of performance test execution using Neoload. Let's proceed with performance testing workflow covers requirement gathering, project estimation, project schedule, test plan, test design document, test script development, baseline test, test execution, analysis of all performance logs, performance report and recommendations, rerun performance tests during and after fixes. Let's see. The demo will be based on the test scenario, pet store web application. The flow of this test scenario is as follows. Launch pet store demo application. Log into the pet store demo application. Choose a random category. Choose a random product. Add products to the cart. Proceed to checkout. Perform payment. Confirmation of order. And log out. Performance test execution workflow using Neoload demo. Launch Tricentis Neoload. Record the script based on test scenario. Specify the required parameterisation and correlation. Specify the maximum number of virtual users in the runtime page. Configure ramp-up time. Configure steady-state duration. Initiate execution. Monitor test execution using Neoload Web. Execution will stop on completion. Generating a report in Neoload. Excel reporting customized. Contains observations or recommendations. Now let's see the demo of performance test execution. Performance test results final report will be presented in an MS Excel workbook with a worksheet containing the following information. Executive summary. Errors. Transaction summary. Response time. Load test statistics. Server monitoring logs. Observation and recommendation. Thank you for watching the demo. You can put your comments below. For more details, contact us at services@mantharsoft.com. Or you get your free trial at mantharsoft.com/free-trial.